We'll guide you through how to use Sapphire Transitions in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the search bar on your Windows device and typing After Effects. Then click the app once it shows up. After the program loads, wait for the main workspace to appear, then select New Composition to create a place for the edit. When the composition is ready, move to the project bar on the left side of the screen. Right-click inside the empty area and choose Import, then select File. A file window will appear, and you can pick the footage you want to use for the transition. Once you select it, press Import. After the footage is added to the project, drag and drop it into the timeline, so it becomes part of the composition. Now right-click the timeline again and choose New, then select Adjustment Layer. This new layer will hold the transition effect, so the footage itself stays clean and easy to manage. With the adjustment layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel on the right side of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Sapphire Transition folder, which contains a range of transitions ready to use. Open the folder and pick the one you want. As an example, you can choose S_wipe dots, which creates a wipe effect made of small dots. Drag and drop the transition onto the adjustment layer in the timeline. Once the effect is applied, look at the Effect Controls panel at the top left. This is where you can change the look of the transition. Adjust the effect values until you get the style you want. Take your time and watch the preview window to see how each change affects the transition. After setting the main values, turn on the keyframe for the wipe present setting. Set the first keyframe to 100%. This will mark the point where the transition begins. Move forward a bit on the timeline, then set the second keyframe to 0% so the effect completes smoothly. To make the animation feel cleaner, select both keyframes, right-click them, choose Keyframe Assistant, and then pick Easy Ease. This softens the motion and makes the wipe look more natural. After that, play the preview to check if the transition feels right. Keep adjusting the settings if needed until everything flows smoothly between the clips.